Hi, and welcome to how to auto-provision Mitel phone video tutorial. In this video, we will use Mitel 6867i to demonstrate the auto-provisioning. However, the same procedure can be used for other Mitel phones as it is very similar. Easiest way to auto-provision your phone is through the web interface. To access the phone web interface, you will need your phone IP address. Your IP address can be found inside the phone settings. Simply open Status and then Network Status menu. And under IP field, you will see your phone IP address. Enter the address in your browser and use your login credentials. If you haven't changed default Mitel login credentials, enter admin for username and enter 5 times for a password. Once logged in, the first thing you need to do is to reset your phone to factory settings. Unless your phone is brand new and is currently set to factory settings, then you don't have to do this step. Otherwise, under Reset menu, next to Restore to Factory Defaults, click on the Restore button and select OK to confirm the action. When done, you will need to restart your phone to apply the factory settings. Go back to your phone settings menu and select Restart and confirm the action to reset your phone. Once your phone reset and reboots, you will need to check your firmware. It is important that your phone is loaded with the appropriate firmware version. Different models may require different firmware versions. You can look up which version is supported for your device at wiki.bicomsystems.com/UADs. To check which version of the firmware you have currently installed, inside the web interface, navigate to System Information menu. Your firmware version will be displayed under Firmware section. If you have trouble installing the firmware, please contact Bicom support team. Next, you will need to adjust UAD settings, create the extension, and register your phone. Select the desired tenant, and under Tenant Settings menu, navigate to UAD. Find your device and open the device edit options. Make sure that General section status is set to active and that under Auto Provisioning section, Auto Provisioning and DHCP is set to yes. Once done, click Save to apply the settings. Next, under Extension menu, click on Add Extension. Select your device from UAD list and under Location, set Remote. Click Next Step button. Specify the extension name and email. Select the department and under MAC, enter the MAC address of the phone. You can find the MAC address on the back of your phone and also inside the phone web interface under System Information. Once you have entered the MAC address, click Save to apply the settings. This completes all the settings you need to do inside of PBXware. Next, you will need to register your Mitel phone by setting up provisioning server. Go back to your phone web interface. Once inside, under Configuration Server menu, make sure the download protocol is set to TFTP, and under Primary Server, enter your server IP address or a host name. Once done, at the bottom, click on the Save Settings button and reset your phone by navigating to Reset menu, and then click on a Restart button. Your phone will restart, and once it's finished rebooting, you should have successfully registered your phone to PBXware. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need more help, be sure to visit Bicom Systems Wikimedia page